Take your design to detail workflow to the next level in 2021 with the release of the Tekla Structural Designer link to the rebar sets in Tekla Structures. You can now automatically detail your columns, beams, slabs and footings based on the design. In just a few clicks, control the level of detail you show or which objects you wish to detail. The dialog gives you step-by-step details of the processes it's going through and shows any errors you might find when transferring the design from Tekla Structural Designer. Laps, cranks, layers and placement are identical to the output you get from the 2D drawings in Structural Designer, but now you get a collaborative 3D model for free. This transfer is harnessing the power of the rebar sets, meaning that you can rapidly change the arrangement of bars or the details to declash and provide high quality detailing with less effort and much less rework. With Tekla Structural Designer open, you can quickly validate the import against design ready for further work. Alternatively, you can choose to import only one detailed instance of a group by selecting once per design group. From here, change or update the rebar before copying around the model using the tracking data automatically brought through from Tekla Structural Designer. Make your design iteration more productive by sending this model to Trimble Connect and share details with project stakeholders. Review the design, details and discuss alternatives in a non-destructive way with the to-do features in Trimble Connect.